Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information about sample paper for the preparation of entrance exams for Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, Master of Hospital Management MHM for various university and institutes like AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, NIMHANS Bangalore, IIPH, Indian Institute of Medical Research, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Savitribai Phule Pune University, SGPGI Lucknow, KGMU Lucknow, University of Lucknow, and for all other university and institute which conducts MPH, MHA, MHM and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, MPH, MHA, MHM and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So in the previous video, question number 1 to 10 has been discussed. In this video, I will give you information from question number 11. Here first question is, the main cause of contagious disease is. The main cause of contagious disease is. Options are A. Contaminated air, B. Contaminated food, C. Poor hygienic conditions, D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. So main cause of contagious disease is contaminated air, contaminated food, poor hygienic conditions. So these all are the main causes of contagious disease. So main causes of contagious diseases are contaminated air, contaminated food, poor hygienic conditions. Its explanation is, a contagious disease is an infectious disease that can be spread rapidly in several ways, including direct contact, indirect contact and droplet contact. These diseases are caused by organisms such as parasites, bacteria, fungi and viruses. Next question is question number 12. Which of the following factors is necessary for a healthy person? Which of the following factors is necessary for a healthy person? Options are A. Vaccination, B. Balanced diet, C. Personal hygiene, D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. So factors which are necessary for a healthy person are vaccination, balanced diet, personal hygiene. So these all are the factors which is necessary for a healthy person: vaccination, balanced diet, personal hygiene. Its explanation is, many factors combine together to affect the health of individuals and communities. Whether people are healthy or not is determined by their circumstances and environment. To a large extent, factors such as where we live, the state of our environment, genetic, our income and education level, and our relationship with friends and family all have considerable impact on health. Question number 13 is, read the following statements about the diseases. So these are the statements about the diseases. First is statement first, they are caused due to lack of nutrients in our diet. Second, they are caused by germs. Third, they are contagious in nature. Fourth, they can be prevented by taking a proper diet. Which of the following is a nutrient deficiency disease? So options are A. both 1 and 2, B. only 1, C. only 2 and 3, D. none of these. Correct answer is option B. only 1. So read the following statement about the diseases. So first, they are caused due to lack of nutrients in our diet. So this statement is true about nutrient deficiency disease. Its explanation is, disease can cause a lack of nutrients in intake as well. The most common nutrient deficiency disease is scurvy, rickets, hypokalemia, beriberi, etc. One should always take an intake rich in vitamins, fats, carbohydrates, etc. Question number 14. Small harmful living things are known as small harmful living things are known as. Options are A. Bacteria, B. Germs, C. Both of A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is option C. Both of A and B. Small harmful living things are known as. Correct answer is both of A and B, that is bacteria and germs. Small harmful living things are known as bacteria and germs. Its explanation is there are other living things in the atmosphere which can be seen through a microscope only, and they are bacteria and germs. Bacteria are small single-celled organisms. These are present all across the earth, and some bacteria and good for health and some are bad. A germ is a microorganism that cause diseases. It can refer to fungi, viruses, microscopic bacteria, etc. Question number 15. Germs live in. Options are A. Dust, B. Water, C. Air, D. All of these. Correct answer is option D. All of these. Germs live in dust, water, air. Its explanation is germs are microorganisms present all around the earth. Germs are the basic reason for causing diseases. Germs can practically refer to protozoa, microscopic bacteria and others. One should frequently wash hands and sanitize before consuming food or even after that. Question number 16. The germs attack your teeth and form small holes known as. The germs attack your teeth and form small holes known as. Options are A. Spots, B. Marks, C. Cavities, D. All of these. Correct answer is option C. Cavities. The germs attack your teeth and form small holes known as. Correct answer is cavities. Its explanation is one should brush twice a day to prevent the foul smell released from the mouth due to continuous accumulation of germs and the secretion of enzymes and other things in the mouth through saliva. Cavities, this is a condition in which the hard surface of teeth gets damaged and tiny holes are developed. It is also called tooth decay or caries. So in this video, information about very important multiple choice questions has been discussed for the preparation of entrance exam for various university and institutes. Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA for various universities like AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, CUET PG, Common University Entrance Test, CUET PG, PGI MER, TISR, JIPMER, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA, MHM and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, MPH, MHA, MHM and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.